Many nurses want to know in our initial consultation what the effect will be of getting disciplined by the board. So that means if there's a reprimand, if there is a suspension of a license or suspension with probation and on down the line, what does this mean for them moving forward? So in my experience, the feedback I get, I don't have many nurses who say that as a result of a reprimand, they were unable to obtain another job. Uh, Sometimes the uncertainty of knowing the outcome of a case could cause a future or potential employer to hit the pause button for a little while to see what the outcome is going to be. Especially if you are a traveling nurse and you want to work through an agency, it seems like they want to see how the case is going to resolve before they commit time and resources to help you get licensed in other states. So that will have probably the biggest effect is on a traveling nurse. Also, the fact that a violation in Nevada is usually considered a violation in any other state that you practice is going to have a reverberating effect through other states. But we've got to talk about that. Which states are you licensed in? Are you part of a compact state? What's the anticipated fallout from getting disciplined? Now, some nurses, just as a matter of pride, they've been working as a nurse for 20, 25 years, even longer, and they don't want to have any black marks on their record. It's a matter of pride. And so having to face the potential for discipline that is public is very concerning for them. And we can talk about the ramifications or if there's any way to avoid that. Again, it's back specific to your case, what the outcome is going to be, but it's very important to have that discussion. Nurses, are justifiably concerned that these things get on their record because why? These are permanent things. There is no way to remove a disciplinary act on your license for the rest of your entire career. So how it's worded in the reprimand, which we work on the wording very carefully if a reprimand is required, whether that reprimand is or the disciplinary act is a reprimand or something else, how it finally shakes out is also important, and how it could impact certain types of jobs or your future career is important. So we're going to have a discussion about all of that when you call in and try and minimize to the extent that we can to satisfy both the concerns of the board as well as your future career and your career trajectory.